Look at this integral. In denominator, we have large sum. Large sum means it is of the form a plus b. So if you expand this, so denominator will become large over here. Okay. So what I will do is, I will do substitution and I will try to exchange u equals to x plus pi by 4. Then what is my x? X equals to u minus pi by 4. Okay. Now what is my du? Du is same as dx. Okay. And what about limits? When x tends to 0. When x tends to 0, then u tends to pi by 4. When x tends to pi by 2, then u tends to 3 pi by 4. Okay. So let's substitute over here. This equals to integral become pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4, and sine of what is x? X is u minus pi by 4 upon sine of u into what is dx? Dx is same as du. Okay. So now here denominator becomes small. Okay. Here numerator becomes big. So now here I can apply sine a minus b. Remember, what is sine a minus b? Sine of a minus b is sine a cos b. If it is minus, then minus cos a sine b. So by applying this formula, what we have? Sine of u minus pi by 4 is same as sine of u cos pi by 4 as well as sine pi by 4. Values are same because it's 1 by root 2. Okay. So here we have sine of u into 1 by root 2 minus cos of u into 1 by root 2. So if I take 1 by root 2 common, what we have? Sine of u minus cos of u. So instead of this, I can write like this. Is equals to integral pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. 1 by root 2 is constant. So I will send outside 1 by root 2. This is same as sine of u minus cos of u upon sine u is there. So sine u upon sine of u into du. Okay. So is equals to 1 by root 2. Limit is only pi by 4. Okay. So pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So now I can separate this. Okay. This upon this and this upon this. Now if I separate sine u upon u, sine u upon sine u is 1. So I have 1 minus cos by sine is cot. Cot of u into du is equals to 1 by root 2. Let's integrate this. This integrate we have only u minus. Now cot of u is what? Log of sine x. Log of sine of u. Otherwise you can consider like differentiation of sine is become cos. If you are getting differentiation of denominator, if you are getting numerator, then that integration is log of denominator. Means what? We have log of sine u. Okay. And then limit is pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. Okay. So is equals to, so upper limit minus lower limit is equals to 1 by root 2. Upper limit means what? 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4 minus log of sine of 3 pi by 4. This is upper limit. Okay. So minus lower limit is pi by 4 minus log of sine of pi by 4. Okay. Sine of pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Okay. So what is sine 3 pi by 4? Sine 3 pi by 4 is same as, in terms of degree, we have 135 degree. Okay. So 135 degree is same as 180 minus 45 of sine. Okay. So sine 180 minus 45 is in this quadrant. 180 minus 45 is in this quadrant. Sine is positive. So sine will go to sine of 45. Therefore, these values are same. Okay. Therefore, this here minus plus, this and this gets cancelled. Okay, 1 by root 2 here, over here, minus plus 1 by root 2 over here. Okay, so what we have is this. Okay, here 1 by root 2 into 3 pi by 4, and then here minus pi by 4 is equals to, if I subtract this, 2 pi by 1 by root 2, here 2 pi by 4. So gets cancelled here, 2 is same as pi upon 2 root 2. This is the required answer. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your support.